welcome. We're back with another video. This is a vlog this time. We are at a farmer's market and it's so good. It's so amazing. The food here is very nice. The people here are so lovely. I'm here with my family and it's so gloomy and pretty. I love it.
With the good people we meet, good friends we've had, good friends we've lost, along this way. And they were singing no, no, when no. It's getting.
But first, let's have some chipsticks. What's a farmer's market without them? We are in the garden now and the plants are so affordable. What are you eating? Pancake.
The night seems to fade.
Every market we make.
I just bought this Parmesan cheese because I love cheese, and I think from now on I'll just be making pasta and Italian dishes most of the time. Finished taking pictures there, and okay, I just got the car to just drop off some things and I'll do a little haul of what I bought. So I bought this beautiful incense stick holder. It's so pretty and it's handmade. I bought organic avocados as well, and I also bought this kick-ass chili sauce. I don't even love hot stuff, but I thought I can just try it out and stuff. And in here is the organic cheese, Parmesan cheese, and I also bought a plant. I bought this plant as well because I'm such a bad plant mom, so I'm hoping this one I could make a change. And yeah, that's it. I'm just hoping that I'm happy with everything I bought, so I'm just gonna go in now and eat and enjoy the rest of the time with my family. Guys, that's it for the video today. I'm so tired, but it's so fun. Initially I didn't want to come because it was so cold, but I'm so happy I came. I'm so happy she dragged me out of bed. Yeah. Anyway, yes. Anyway guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.